Boston now, where some snow-clogged streets are being made one-way streets now.
Because we didn't have enough one-way streets already. As the storm passes, this is not going to change. This is going to stand until April for a lot of these streets. Our Frank Holland has the story from South Boston.
As another storm approaches, South Boston residents still trying to dig out and shovel themselves out from the previous winter storms.
It's just a mess. It's just a mess.
With the potential for another foot of snow or more. The mayor announcing Saturday morning what he calls an emergency transportation reconfiguration. Starting at 10 on Saturday night and continuing until April 1st, odd-numbered streets will become eastbound one-way streets. Even-numbered streets will become westbound one-way streets. No change for current one-way streets. Main roads remain open to both lanes of traffic.
It's going to take me a minute to figure it out.
LGO Flores was notified about the ETR by this piece of paper in his door. Others alerted by text. Police officers are making extra patrols to help ease the transition. The sudden change in South Boston could make navigating even more difficult.
It's a hassle, but then you have to understand, I mean, it's Mother Nature. What can you do?
Huge snow piles already making turns a hazard for pedestrians and drivers, but most say they support anything that will improve the snow and ice covered streets.
It looks like they're doing the best they can, so, we just have to suck it up.
In addition to the ETR, the city's parking ban will also take effect. South Boston residents also advised to check out the MBTA website to see how their bus routes could be impacted. Here in South Boston, Frank Holland, WCVB News Center 5.